ये मैटर जो मैं आपको बोलने जा रहा हूँ, आप इस मैटर को हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर पे टाइप करके आप अपनी मिस्टेक्स को जान सकते हैं और अपने शॉर्टहैंड को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक मैंने अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है।
Get ready, start. Every man or woman must be given work to his or her capacity, and the state must satisfy its people's basic needs of food, clothing and shelter. Stop. If a state fails to provide jobs to its people or ensure the satisfaction of their basic needs, it is sure to be doomed one day. Stop. Every eating mouth is blessed by God with two working hands. Stop. Therefore, no excuse can explain in failure of this balancing system of production and consumption. Stop. The most challenging problem India faces today is the problem of unemployment. Stop. With the massive increase in population, the number of unemployed was increased many-fold. Stop. No wonder, we find millions of educated, the uneducated employed youth in the country. Stop. It is a pity that many of the uneducated, unemployed youth are skilled workers. Stop. The conditions of the educated unemployed is more pitiable. Stop. Unemployment is one of the major causes of student unrest in the country. Stop. No country can make any progress when her youth remain idle and unemployed. Stop. The hordes of unemployed youth wander from pillar to post in search of jobs. Stop. There are fewer jobs but more job seekers. Stop. We come across many teachers, engineers and even doctors who go without jobs. Stop. They have spent several years in degree and professional colleges and yet they are unable to get jobs. Stop. The condition of those who have passed BA and MA examinations is even worse. Stop. They are not fit for doing any job other than the white collar ones. Stop. This is quite an unhappy situation. Stop. In these days of high cost of living, unemployment is a matter of great concern for the planners. Stop. The problem is in respect of the non-availability of jobs is likely to become worse with the introduction of computers in the offices, factories, shops, banks and the commercial establishments. Stop. With the coming of automation in factories, many skilled workers in various fields will have to look for jobs elsewhere. Stop. The entry of multinational companies might also make things a little too tough for the small industrial units that may have to be closed. Stop. The situation is, therefore, likely to become worse in years to come. Stop. There are two kinds of measures that are being tried to cope up with the situation. Stop. These are long-term measures and short-term measures. Stop. Long-term measures include reform in education, control over population and increase in production. Stop. Job-oriented courses are being introduced in the schools and colleges. Stop.